when I'm talking.
Alright everybody, so today is a very exciting day for me, but a very sad day for Shanta. Why is it a sad day for you, Shanta? She's gonna miss me because I'm going to Australia! Woo! I'm going to Australia because my sister Brooke is getting married! Yes, I will. Be good while I'm gone, huh? Bye-bye, baby. So wakas, dumating na ako sa airport at on time ako, hindi ako late. Grabe, awan ng Diyos.
In addition, please do not leave your baggage unattended. Should you need our assistance, please do not hesitate to call
Sobrang
one
antok
of your
na ako.
cabin crew.
Teleport na lang tayo dun sa
Guests
Australia.
seated by exit rows are asked to remove.
Ayan! Nandito na po tayo sa Australia! Woo! Ngayon, naghihintay ako sa papa ko. Susunduin niya ako. Nandito na ata siya. Siya na ba yan? Ay, si mama pala. Hey, what's up, mom? I know, it's freezing, man. Let's go. Alright, mom, let's go! Look at the roads here in Australia, no traffic, it's amazing. Oh my gosh. When I came from Manila, it was a car park. The freeway was a car park, it just wasn't moving. Look at that, that's amazing, mum.
We'll hit peak hour.
There's no such thing as peak hour in Australia,
Yeah.
mum.
Get the camera off me, don't. I better not be seen in any freaking movies.
Hey, what's up, baby? Jackman, what's up? Where's your clothes, man? You know, have you seen all the comments on our family YouTube videos? Someone was like, oh, if all your family were vlogging, you'd be like the Kardashians.
Oh my god.
Hello, Halle!
Hello.
Say hello, Halle!
Hello.
Hello, Halle! Sarap ng bagong ligo. Bagong ligo. Marunong ka mag-Tagalog?
I don't know what that means.
Say goodnight, Halle.
Good night.
Good night, Halle.
Good night.
Let's go see what my little brother's doing. 8:30 at night, he's up playing Dragon Ball Z. Hanggang kadlawan pa yan, ha? Addict si Jack sa mga ganyan. This is where I'm gonna sleep tonight. In Amber's house. Sosyal ang bahay ni Amberly. Di ba, Jack? Say, oo. Oo. Say, oo nga. Oo, oo nga. Have you ever beaten this game before?
Yeah.
You've already beaten it and you're still playing it.
Good.
Addict yan. Oh, look who's here. Look who's here, mate. Look what the cat dragged in. Shut up.
What's up, boy?
It's my Filipino bayaw. What's up,
Filipino
man?
bayag.
Ang sarap ng higaan ko, no?
Uy, may bayad yan, Paps.
May bayad daw.
Ano service?
Service na lang. Wow, talagang punong-puno ang ref nyo, VJ. Wow, mayaman na si Bayaw. Tulog na, ano ka ba?
Oo, sige nga.
Ay nako, ngayon pa lang ako gumising. Let's fast forward time to when I'm ready for the wedding and I look decent. Alright! Woo! We ready, Jackman? Ready for Chucky's wedding? What's up with your hair, mate? Is that how you wearing your hair? Yep. On our way to Chucksy's wedding. It's about a 40-minute drive all the way to Brisbane City. Magpapakasal na siya dun sa temple. Astig. We're nearly there, Jackman. Yeah, man. Shut down. Okay, we've arrived. Here we are in the temple car park. You ready, veggies?
Man, it's like a crime to look this good.
Hey? Going to the temple.